Hello folks and welcome back to another Mad Season lesson. We're going for I'm Above today, and this was the request of Christoph Jorsen over at Patreon. If you don't know what Patreon is, check out the link below and good things may happen. So we've got Univerb at the beginning, and then we've got Unobtainium into Black Mountain into the effects loop, right? So we've got... which is super awesome. For the rest of the tune though, I'm taking the Unobtainium off and I've just got the Black Mountain. So let's do the first riff. Pretty straightforward. Let's take off the gain. So you're just playing an E chord. So 1, 2, you're kind of playing a palm muted open E, right? But sometimes the left hand is muting as well. And then you've got 5, 7, and then 5, right? And that hangs over for a whole bar. Pretty straightforward, right? You play that round 4 times and then you're into the verse. Now the verse is E minor, G, A sus2, and then A7 sus2, I think it is. Which is basically like just one finger on the on the 2nd fret there. So you've got... And again, I've tabbed the chord like that. With no 3rd fret on the E string, right? But, I mean, you know, I would put it in just in case you overstretch. Then you go E sus2 and then take your 3rd finger off. So, and with a bit of strumming. Play that around a bunch of times and then back into that intro riff. Only twice though, then back into the verse, right? Do that 3 times. The 4th time, you're going to play that, right? Which is just the A sus2 that you leave hanging over for 2 bars. Then light distortion on, and you're playing the bridge part, which goes... Play that around 4 times. So you've got 4 chugs on the E, and then you play an E power chord, 7th fret, 9th fret. Then this. Okay? With those little 5th chords. 2nd time, slightly different. That's the same, obviously, but then you go to the B. And then the D, okay? With that rhythm. So all together. Pretty straightforward. Then chorus. So there we have the 3rd fret. It's like a 9th chord, but you don't put the 3rd in, right? So you've got. So I'm muting the D string, right? So you've just got 3, 3, 3 fretted, and it's staccato. So you do 4, and then you slide your 2nd and 3rd fingers is what I'm using. 2nd and 3rd fingers down 1 fret, but you leave your little finger on the 3rd fret. That stays there. And then the E minor again, right? Play around 3 times. Lovely, isn't it? And then the last time you just let them ring out. And then we've got this acoustic solo which goes 2, 3, 4. In fact, it goes back into the verse there, not that. But anyway. Okay, stop there. Okay, then we've got this repeating pattern. 3, 4. Then we've got some Take the Weather With You, frankly. So you do a hammer on, and then you play. So I'm alternating between the 5th fret there and the open E. Down 1 string on the 4th fret. Just pulling off there, and then you got this. Pretty straightforward. I mean, you've got the picking pattern there, but it's slowly. So you're just alternating between the B string and the E string there. So those are all the parts you need. The only other thing of note is the chorus fills. So I'll go through those for you. You have. Little half step bend and release. Next one goes. That's pretty straightforward, isn't it? So you go 1, 2. Couple of pull-offs. I think the next one might have some wah in it, but I mean, you know, it's just an overdub. I wouldn't worry about that. Pretty cool, isn't it? So bend on the 15th fret. And then the last one is. That basically. Just a trill on the D string, open D to 2nd fret, right? So again. And then the ending is. Those last 2 chords, and you are done. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.